What is up, guys? Today we got another mic to try out. Today it is the Blue Yeti. This one is very popular, probably like every streamer has it. It's pretty cool and I wanted to try it out, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna have to hook this up to my PC and then try to do some audio tests, and then I'll put it in there to see how it sounds. Alright, so this is what the Blue Yeti sounds like. Previously, I was recording with the Lavalier Microphone Lavalier for your phone, and this is the Blue Yeti audio. I think it sounds pretty good. I'm currently listening to it right here because it has a headset insert so you can hear yourself. So I'm currently listening while I'm talking, so I'm hearing myself, and I'd say it sounds pretty darn good. Pretty crisp, pretty nice. I don't think you guys can hear the fans of my computer in the background. It has a couple different things to change the settings. The first one is for muting. And then you got the volume for your headset if you want to listen. If I turn it all the way up, I can hear myself, which is, ugh. I want to hear myself a little. And then back here you got the grain, which is basically like the microphone, like volume for how much you want it to pick up. So I'm going to turn that all the way down because I don't want it to pick up that much. And then back here is the type of listening you want it to do. Right now I have it so it's just listening forward, but if I do this, it listens to it backward as well. And then you got a couple different options. I don't know what they do, but I know the forward and then the all around one, so you can mess around with that. But if you want to get the Blue Yeti, I'd totally recommend. It's a great microphone. Tons of creators use it, and I'd say it's pretty cool. I'm glad that I have it now. I'm totally going to be using it every time I stream or record like a video for my other channel where I do gaming. But yeah, I'd say if you want it, definitely buy it. Thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more, check out my channel. I got like pretty sure 2 so far, reviewing a gaming keyboard and a lavalier. I'm gonna have more. I'm trying to do more tech products. That's what I like to do. I like this kind of like setup and editing. It's fun for me and it's easy to edit. But yeah, if you like it, like, subscribe, check out my other content, and if you want me to review other products, put it in the comments and I'll see if I can get it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Adios. You should subscribe.